Basic usage of promise not to. I promise not to plus verb. When using the word promise, you are giving your word that what you are saying is true. You might also be assuring someone a guarantee that you will follow through on what you are saying to them. When using promise not to, you are stating you will not do a particular thing. Here are some examples. I promise not to tell. I promise not to leave without you. I promise not to be so late. I promise not to hurt your feelings. I promise not to wake you up. You can also just use the word promise to assure someone of your intentions. Here are some examples. I promise I am telling the truth. I promise to practice my math. I promise to call you. I promise I will tell you. I promise I will come to your party.